Inhale, exhale. Sink right, peel up the left. Raise hands, lower elbows and knees. Whirl arms, palms up. Push forward, high five. Turn toward the left, palms up. Elbow in toward the ear, push forward. Going into brush knee, play the violin, sink right. Step out left, brush knee. Turn both palms over, play the violin, sink left, step out right and brush knee. Hold the ball, going into parting wild horse's mane. Sink right, hold the ball, step out right, parting wild horse's mane right. Going into wave hands like clouds. Sink right, center, sink left, step in. Step out left, keep the feet here. Turn back toward the right. Step in left, center, step out right. Keep the feet here, finish wave hands like clouds. Sink down into the left foot, toe step in, golden rooster stands on one leg. Sink right, toe step in, golden rooster. Sink left, cross hands, right hand underneath, and heel kick. Sink down right, and heel kick left. Sink left, hold the ball, left hand on top, step out right, grasp bird's tail. Sink left, press to the wrist, wipe it off, sink back, push two hands. Sink left, hold the ball, sink right, step out left, grasp bird's tail left. Press to the wrist, wipe off, sink back, and push. Sink right, let the right hand float out, step in, cross hands, press down, sink right, step in, and bow.